Welcome to the 18th ISDSI-G conference, PIBM's 3-day enlightening international conference event filled with knowledge sharing and gathering. Get ready for an unparalleled immersive learning experience where discussions will center around the theme of navigating the AI frontier in business, balancing economy, ecology and inclusion.
From the thought-provoking panel discussions to hands-on workshop, you can expect a real wind of knowledge sharing and collaboration, research paper presentation and publication on contemporary topics.
If you are interested in participating and submitting a paper at the prestigious PIBM's International Conference, we will walk through the process of submission. First, you need to visit the submission and publication page on the ISDSI-G official website to familiarize yourself with the eligibility and requirements.
Please read all the guidelines carefully to ensure your submission meets all criteria. Under this section, you can also see the publication opportunities available for you, such as Scopus and ABDC listed journals, edited books with ISBN, PIBM management journals, international journals of electronic government research.
Once your research paper is ready, it's time to submit it by clicking the Submit Your Paper through Microsoft CMT button. A new window will open where you can provide your credentials or register yourself if you're a new applicant. If you're a new applicant, you will get a link on your registered mail ID, on clicking which you will be redirected to the submission portal. Once you log into the submissions portal, you will get an option to create a new submission where you can add title, abstract, name of authors, attach the mail ID and upload your research paper. Remember, the file size shall be less than 10 MB and should be in the format of a document or a PDF.
Once your paper is submitted following all the guidelines and you have registered yourself for the ISDSI-G conference, you are now a participant of ISDSI-G conference where your research paper will not only be published, but you will also get an opportunity to present it in front of renowned industrial thought leaders and expert academicians gathered from around the globe.
So, who can participate in the ISDSI-G conference? Everyone, whether you're a seasoned academic, industry professional, or a budding researcher, there's a place for you here.
You can also avail of our special early bird offer and secure your spot at the prestigious ISDSI-G conference at a discounted rate.
Rub shoulders with industry stalwarts and academic luminaries from universities worldwide. It's a networking opportunity you won't want to miss.
So what are you waiting for? Join us at the 18th ISDSI-G conference and be a part of something extraordinary. See you there from 26th to 29th December 2024.